Hello YouTube. In this video I'll be showing y'all how I bleached and styled my son's hair. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Boy, did you almost fall? So we about to get the stuff. He wants to bleach his hair. We only gonna do the ends, but we about to go get the bleaching stuff and then we gonna do his ends. You ready, Jay?
I mean, yes.
Whatever. So the sales associate was really helpful. She recommended some products as well as some other things that we needed to bleach his hair.
How many you think we need?
Put it back. Alright, so we gotta find the developer. Yeah, the developer. So I ended up getting developer, 2 packs of bleach, a brush to apply the bleach, and some gloves. Jay. So of course I had to read the instructions. I haven't done bleach in so long. After I read the instructions, I went ahead and opened up each package and poured it into the bowl. After I poured it into the bowl, I looked on the front to see how much developer we needed, and it said we needed about 2 fluid ounces. 1.5 to 2, 20 or 30, so we need 2 fluid ounces. Hey, can you Google how much 2 fluid ounces is on this? I don't know what that 100 means. Okay, so we need 2 fluid ounces, which is 50. Okay, so it is 59. Okay, so we're gonna do 60. After adding the developer, I did take the brush and start to mix the developer with the bleach to get it the appropriate consistency. I just wanted it to be smooth, like no lumps or anything, so I just tried to get it as smooth as possible. So this is what we're starting out. My son does want his ends bleached, so we're just going to kind of go with this. I haven't done this in so long, but we decided that we would part his hair into 4 sections, and then we would use rubber bands to separate the sections of hair out that we wanted to bleach. So now that the hair is in 4 ponytails, I wanted to make sure that each ponytail was properly detangled, and then I took a smaller black rubber band and put it around the ends just to give us a little section to know what part of the hair we would be actually bleaching. So this is what we have after all the rubber bands have been applied. It's chemicals. What you think? What do you expect, son? So I applied my gloves, and then I took the bleach and made sure the consistency was still the way that I wanted it. And then I applied the bleach to the bottom part of each of those ponytails, since my son only wanted the tips of his hair bleached. So I tried to apply this bleach pretty fast because I didn't want one part of his hair to be changing colors while the other was still processing, so yeah. I had to let it sit here until the hair started to change. These had already started to change right now. Okay, so what color are you trying to be, Jay?
Red. This color right here.
You like that color?
Can it be braided in it?
Yeah, we just gotta leave it on longer. Turn close to the camera so they can see that that's change.
What think we done now?
You like this color? Stand up and look at it in the light. Look right there in the mirror.
Oh yeah, we done. I don't want to do braid.
sure. Look at it. Boy, did you get that on my wall?
Yeah, easy.
So this is what we have once the hair has done processing. And now I'm gonna just take all of the rubber bands off to get ready to get all this bleach out of his hair. So this is what we have after we have rinsed out the bleach, and I am happy with how the tips turned out. I think he likes it too. I think it's just the right amount of color for his age. So we did decide to go ahead and put a style in there since the first day of school was coming up. You want to be comfortable while I'm sitting here slaving. So I decided to put finger coils in his hair because it's easier for me to do. If you want a full tutorial on this, I have posted that on my YouTube page. I will link it up above just in case y'all want to see that full tutorial. I also will be linking below the products that I use for this style and the bleaching. And I also will be linking another playlist up above that shows all of my male hair tutorials on my channel. Y'all come get y'all favorite hair model. He got too many specifications for him to be getting his hair done for free. Oh, stop. Move your legs.
Okay.
So this is the finished look. I do think that the color does add a little bit of pizzazz to this style. He's had this style a lot, but never with the tips being colored, and I actually kind of like it. Let me know down below what you think of this style as well as what you think of the color. I do think it's gonna take some time for us to get used to it, but yeah, I think it's kind of cute. Lift up. Say something.
Hi.
You ain't got nothing to say to YouTube?
Oh, I didn't want this hairstyle. I wanted two hairstyles combined, but she didn't feel like doing it.
And I wasn't doing it. I wasn't doing it. When you get it for free, you get what I give you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Lets me know what y'all like and don't like. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Say peace.